This is an experiment to interface 16:2 LCD with Arduino Uno using I2C model. This is the image of I2C model. It has got 4 pins, ground, VCC, SDA and SCL pin. SDA stands for serial data and SCL stands for serial clock. And here you can connect this model with LCD display. So in this way, you can connect the I2C module with LCD display in this manner. And the VCC pin of LCD ground pin of I2C is connected to ground pin of Arduino Uno, and VCC is connected to VCC pin of Arduino Uno, that is 5 volts pin. And SDA, it is connected to SDA pin. Some Arduino Uno board have SDA and SCL pins separately. And you can connect SDA pin of I2C with the SDA pin of Arduino Uno, and SCL of serial clock of I2C with the serial clock of Arduino Uno. If you don't have SDA and SCL separately on your Arduino Uno, you can connect SDA and SCL to the A4 and A5 pins respectively. So in this way also you can do the experiment. If you have a separate SDA and SCL pin, see for my Arduino Uno, I have got SDA pin and SCL pin. So I am connecting SDA pin of Arduino Uno to SDA pin of I2C and SCL pin of Arduino Uno to the SCL pin of Arduino Uno. If you don't have these two, you can connect to A4 and A5 of the Arduino Uno board. See, now after uploading the program, I have written program to display Government Polytechnic for Women Bangalore. So this is displayed. So this is very simple if you use I2C connector with the LCD. Otherwise, you need to do a lot of connections. Without I2C, you need to do many connections between Arduino Uno and LCD. So using only 4 lines, you can display anything on a LCD using I2C. So that is the advantage of I2C. Okay, so this Arduino code controls 2 by 16 character LCD liquid crystal display connected via I2C. I2C is nothing but integrated circuit communication, and the display is used to show the 2 lines of text like this. I have displayed in 2 lines. In one line Government Polytechnic and in the second line for Women Bangalore. So 2 lines of text, and the content is updated periodically in the loop. So every I have given 5 seconds of time delay. Every 5 seconds, the display is and the string is displayed on the LCD display. And here I'll explain the code. So before writing the program, you should install the library, wire.h library in your Arduino IDE software. And you should install a library, liquid crystal underscore I2C header library file also you should include. And hash include wire.h and hash include liquid crystal crystal underscore I2C.h. These are the preprocessor directives that include 2 libraries. The wire library is used for the first one. Wire library is used for I2C communication, and liquid crystal display, liquid crystal underscore I2C library provides an interface for controlling LCD display via I2C. And the next line is hash define I2C address 0x27. This line defines a constant with the value 0x27, which represents the I2C address of the LCD. So you should check the datasheet or the manufacturer's documentation to ensure that this address matches the actual address of your LCD model. Some models will have 0x3f, some models have 0x37, some models have 0x27. So the model what I have used for that, the address is 0x27. Next, hash define LCD rows 2 and hash define LCD columns 16. These 2 lines defines the constant LCD rows and LCD columns to specify the number of rows and columns on the LCD. In this case, it is 2/16 character display. So next is liquid crystal underscore I2C LCD into bracket. So this entire line, this line creates the instant of liquid crystal I2C class, initializing it with I2C address and a number of columns and number of rows. In void setup, so I have the function wire.begin. This initializes I2C communication library. Next, LCD.init. This initializes LCD display. Next, LCD.backlight. This turns on the backlight of the LCD, making the text visible on the screen. Next is void loop. So in void, this is the main function. Here the LCD.set cursor 0, 0, 0. This sets the cursor position of the LCD to the first row and first column. 0, 0 means first row, first column. So under that, I am going to display print Government Polytechnic on the first line of the LCD. Next, 0, 1. So this will set the cursor position to the second row and the first column. So second row, first column. This is second row. 1 stands for second row and 0 is first column. Second row, first column. On that, I'm going to send a string as for women Bangalore. So this will print like this. So after that, I have taken a delay of 2000. You can change here. It introduces 2 seconds of time delay to keep the text on the display. If you want to keep the text for longer period of time, you change the delay here. So LCD.clear, next line. This will clear the LCD, removing any displayed text. So I am clearing the screen for 1 millisecond. So after 1 millisecond, again the same string is going to display on the LCD screen. So this code displays the specified text on the LCD for the 2 seconds and clears the screen. Then again wait for the delay to repeat the cycle. So this is an example of how to use I2C connected LCD with Arduino Uno. Now we will type this program on in Arduino IDE software and we'll execute this. The program what I have explained just now, I have typed here already. So before uploading, you include the library, go to Sketch, include library, manage library. Here you type liquid crystal. So liquid crystal by Arduino, Adafruit you can install. So I have installed this library already. This I have installed by Frank D. Brabander. This I have installed. You can install Adafruit library also. So after installation, so you select the tool, select the COM port and the board as Arduino Uno board and upload the program. So the uploading is done. Now I'll show you the output in a LCD. This is an experiment to interface 16:2 LCD model with I2C. This is I2C using Arduino Uno board. So here we have written a program to display a message, Government Polytechnic for Women. Because it is 16:2, we can display the message in 2 lines. And how to do the connection? So the I2C is connected to this LCD module. It has got 4 pins: ground, VCC, SDA serial data and serial clock. The ground pin of I2C is connected to ground pin of Arduino Uno, and VCC pin is connected to pin number 5, 5 volts pin of Arduino Uno, and SDA is connected to SDA pin of Arduino Uno, and SCL, that is serial clock, is connected to serial clock pin of Arduino Uno. So after doing connection, after downloading the program, the message what you have given in your program, it will be displayed on LCD.